bait right there. Now that's just a small piece of the puzzle. I got a couple other things to do, a couple bolts in the inner fender on the front bumper, and I'll show you some clips of it right now. I had to fabricate a front splash shield because I ordered the wrong one, which it still needed it, but the back one is the one that I got. It was harder to find the front one, but once I did find it, it was expensive, but I ordered it anyways. So it's on the way. So for now, so I had found this piece of hood insulation that I had in the garage that was closely similar in shape to the front skip or splash guard that I needed. So we trimmed that up because I don't even know what it goes to, and it's not going back on anything. So we're going to use that anyways, so we can get this thing on the road. Turned out good enough for me to test drive it. If I didn't, the front flap and the front air dam would have been going crazy, probably scraping the ground. It might have ripped it out even. But we do need to get this thing out and drive it and see how everything's working out. So a little wash job, and then we're gonna hit the road.
Now you're probably asking yourself, what kind of super towel is that dried the whole car and I didn't even wring it out until the end? Well, that's a GT dry towel, if you're asking yourself that. And you can find that in the link in the description, and you can also get a discount with my discount code. Where's the ceramic? Oh, let's go get it. Ooh, yeah.
you'll excuse me, I need to go drink some water because I am sweating very profusely because I'm out of shape. Anyways, next clip, I'm gonna take this out and we're gonna road test it. All right, inside the 2014 Cadillac CTS, not a V, unfortunately. It is turboed though, 2-liter turbo, brand new head gasket, all the goodies. I'm gonna do this without the radio one, but let's go take a drive. I like to see my average and my where's the instant? Oh, this one doesn't have it. Mine does. Instant gas mileage. There's average. Yeah. Mine has the instant on it. Oh well. Unless it's on this side. Is it on this side? Nope. Alright then. That's what you get. The tire pressure sensors, let's go to that. Let's see, because I did recalibrate them. Oh. So let's see. I'm sure this is going to make some noises for a while because of brakes that need to be cleaned off. We're going to take it easy at first. Might need to recalibrate the steering, or it needs an alignment, one of the two. This is probably why this thing's pulling. I got a low tire. And then I'll come back to you. Boy, these brakes, I don't know if they have a lot of rust on them, but they're really pulsing. Alright, so I aired up the tires. I did a steering relearn, but it has a pull to it. So, unfortunately, this thing still needs front rotors because they pulse pretty bad, actually. And then it also needs an alignment. So, more money down the drain. But, I mean, like I said, you need to get these things out and test this kind of stuff. So while it's pulling, I have to hold the steering wheel to the side, but I did do an alignment, like the learning procedure, so it should be straight on that aspect electronically. Now, we need to get it out on the road and open it up. On the road again, with a crooked wheel, drives half decent. Oh man, you should figure when you get hit in the front like this thing got hit in the front, there's a possibility for steering problems. What can Brown do for you? Pull out in front of me. All in all though, it actually rides pretty smooth. It's quiet. It's quieter than the V6. Like I can hear I can hear the injectors in the V6, like down by the floor. I can hear them. And I don't know if maybe there's padding missing on mine or what, but man, UPS is really rolling cold. But this thing's warmed up now. I've been driving it, and I haven't really got on it yet. So I think we might check that out here in a minute. Brakes really suck, so I do have to watch my speed. These front brakes are pulsing the worst I've ever had. Now there's a little bit of an uphill and then a downhill here. I'm just gonna smash it from a go, from a stop. Oh my. Now, it is quick. It is. And you know what? One of these tires needs balanced on top of that. And I get up to speed, and now I'm getting vibrations. Now that's the balance of your tire. You hear the brakes too. The brakes are bad. Now I can balance the wheels. I can do that. I have a balancer. The brakes, I can do that too, but I got to get them. So we might as well do brakes and rotors together on this. It's like every time I plan to work on the C10, I'm telling you, something comes up. I should just not plan on working on that thing, because then I have people contacting me that want me to work on stuff. It's like just all coming now that I'm getting close to the end of this. Ew. You should just sell the C10 as is. Maybe throw the doors back on it and just sell it. It's holding me back. No lie. That thing is just holding me back. Yeah, I got a vibration. Son of higher speeds, it gets worse. That's balance. If you have a vibration at lower speeds, that's a bent wheel. Sometimes it can be a CV axle. They're kind of funny how they work. Yeah, it gets worse with speed. Should we stop and do a brake boost? 0 to 60? Now this is a straight stretch that actually is flat. Boy, these brakes. Thumping. All right, brake boost. Ooh, that works. I don't even have this in sport mode, I just realized. That's pretty good. I don't know if sport mode actually does anything. It runs good. And I don't see an excessive amount of smoke blowing out of the back either, so, oh my. Ooh, I would not want to have to stop on a dime with these brakes right now. I can't believe this person was driving. Whoever had this was driving. I'm telling you, whoever had this wrecked this thing on purpose. Good thing to note, I got no more warnings, no nothing. The lane assist is up. I have that's on. Yeah, there no warning lights, no nothing. So an alignment and brakes and balancing the wheels, this could actually be a pretty nice ride. Not how I thought I was going to end this video. Normally when I do the finale of a vehicle, that's it. That's the end. But it's not the end for this. I have work to do on some of my vehicles, so that's stuff I'm going to do off camera, but next video I'm going to be doing the brakes on this, balancing the wheels, getting it to somebody to do an alignment, and then we're going to do another test drive. I'm going to have to, I know I've taken a lot of breaks this year, but that's because YouTube hasn't quite turned out the way I thought it would, and it hasn't. You guys keep saying my channel's gonna blow up, and you're all wrong. So I've just been kind of living my life this year and enjoying it this summer. So I got a concert coming up tomorrow, so I can't make content tomorrow. I'm not gonna be able to edit. The following weekend, I'll have time to do some work, but then we leave for Tennessee for a whole week, and I normally do a video on that, so I'm gonna have to slow down my video production for a little bit, so you might get one a week after this video for a little while until I get built back up, because it's hard for me to keep up. It just is. It's not hard for me to keep it up, huh? It's hard for me to stay up with my videos, and the cars, working on the cars, and editing, and all that stuff. It takes time, and I'm the only one that does it. So I have to rely on myself, and I wear myself down sometimes. So just so I can get my video itinerary built up so that you guys aren't hanging, we're just going to slow down the videos for a little bit.
It doesn't mean I'm going anywhere. I'm just slowing down. So if you like this video, smash that like button, consider subscribing. Hit that dislike button if your mom has unforeseen problems after you take her for a ride. And we'll see you on the next episode.
Alright.
Big kitty cat. How you doing, Sheldon? Where are you going? Where are you going? Why are you gonna walk away from me? Huh? Sully's coming though. You wanna come say hi? Oh, you're gonna leave me too? Hey! Sully! Why you leave me? You come back, both of you. You're both buttheads. I'm gonna come get you. I'm gonna come get you. Where you going? Stu Bean, you got something to eat? Yeah. You just get a drink. Last but not least, how you oh, you get up to come see me? Are ya? Do you want to say bye-bye? Do you want to say bye-bye? Do you want to... No. Say bye-bye. You want to say bye-bye?